Imagine holding a polished mirror in your hands. Every time you point it at someone else, you see a version of yourself reflected back. Your fears, your joys, and even your flaws. At first you think, that can't be me. But as you look closer, you realize their struggles, their humanity, and their dreams mirror your own. You might see someone who irritates or inspires you and think they're different from you. The qualities you notice in others, good or bad, often reflect something within you. That coworker's ambition, it mirrors your drive, their impatience. It's a lesson for your own growth. When you see others, you're seeing yourself. You see, we're all connected, and understanding others starts with understanding yourself. Next time someone triggers an emotional reaction in you, pause. Ask yourself, what does this reveal about me? Write it down and reflect on how this insight can help you grow. Share in the comments one quality you've recognized in others that mirrors your own. Like and share this message to help others see themselves more clearly. It's time to work on your purpose